I was very passionate about automobiles from the get-go. From a young age, I used to sit outside my school and actually stare at all the vehicles passing by. And at that point of time, seeing a Toyota Corolla in India was a very big thing. And sighting a Honda Civic or a Toyota Corolla used to be an occasion. And of course, seeing a car like a Mercedes Benz or a BMW on the roads was a great thing. So I guess from my school time, this is where this passion started in me, and over the years it has only grown. So I always wanted to do something in the field of automobiles, and when I heard that Toyota is actually setting up a plant in Bangalore, I was very happy, and I immediately ran to their office and I knocked at the reception, and I actually asked them, how can I apply for a job? That's how I happened to get into Toyota, and I guess it's been with me throughout, and I always want to do something related to automobiles. That is what makes me really happy. That's my passion, and I enjoy following my passion. So my first car was a Maruti 800. Where back in the day we didn't have much choice in India, and a Maruti 800 was sort of a standard choice and one which was available at a good price, and also had a really great performance level for that point of time in India. So I used to experiment with different products. At that point of time, there was a brand called Waxpol. It's still there in the market. They had some very basic wax polishes which one could DIY use, and now when I look back upon those days, it was a really crude product, but we could make do with it and achieve some shine out of it. Obviously we didn't have any products back then in the day. So as cars grew, sort of my passion also grew, and then I kept upgrading. So I keep changing my cars often. So I like to try out new technologies, and I always like to try out new products first on my own cars, so that I'm confident about it, and if I'm confident, I can offer the same to my customers as well.